Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the keyboard replacement on your ASUS GU603Z, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a lint-free cloth for cleaning. Ensure your laptop is turned off and disconnected from any power source to prevent any electrical damage. Begin by flipping the laptop over and removing the battery if it's removable. Next, locate the screws that secure the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all visible screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components of the laptop. Now, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. Before disconnecting it, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area with the lint-free cloth. This ensures a clean connection when you install the new keyboard. To disconnect the keyboard, gently lift the connector latch and carefully pull the ribbon cable out. If you're unsure about handling the internal components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand the problem better. Next, take your new keyboard and align it correctly with the keyboard frame. Insert the ribbon cable into the connector on the motherboard, making sure it's seated properly. Secure the connector latch back in place to hold the ribbon cable firmly. After ensuring the keyboard is properly connected, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back onto the chassis, aligning it correctly as you go. Reinsert all the screws you had previously removed, tightening them securely but being careful not to over-tighten. Before powering the laptop back on, ensure everything is connected correctly. If you're concerned about doing this part yourself, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without the hassle of traveling. Now, turn the laptop back over, reconnect the battery if applicable, and power it on. Test the new keyboard by typing a few keys to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this process yourself, remember we provide a no-calls, no-travel service for your convenience. You can simply schedule a pickup and delivery service to have your laptop repaired without leaving your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.